Good morning. This is Nancy at A Crone's Intuition. It's Sunday morning, June 14th, 2020. I have an intuitive oracle card deck that I wanted to share with you all called Wisdom of the Forest. It is by Jess Purser, and I found this deck on Etsy. Here is the card. Let's see if it'll focus so you can see. And Jess has some beautiful art. I also got 3 prints that I absolutely love. I live in the mountains of Western North Carolina, and so this deck really resonates with me. Such beauty all around me. Let me show you these cards in not any particular order. Here, let me move this up here where you can see them. Humility, abundance, light, act, perspective, revive, smile, guardian, return, warmth, view, space, between, watch, distance, clearing, fortress, joy, focus, gratitude, clarity, trust, empower, soften, grace, conserve, breathe, immerse, strength, explore, grow, flow, give, calm, solitude, whoop, conscious, open, intuition, connection, patience, conceal, and initiate. Now I'm going to prop this up, let's see, right here, and shuffle the cards quickly. Whoop. There we go. And I will just pick one right here. Whoops. And it is soften. Let's look and see what it says in the book. It's all alphabetical. So, soften says, this card asks us to step lightly in our interactions with the world around us Take a moment before you react. Smooth the hard edges both towards yourself and the rest of the world. Sometimes we feel we're kind, loving, and forgiving to the rest of the world, but forget about also treating ourselves well. At other times, we're so wrapped up in how to make our own lives better, we fail to see that others are finding it tough too. That seems to be very timely for these days. Well, I've enjoyed showing you this deck, and I hope you have too. And this is Nancy at A Crone's Intuition. I'll see you next time. Namaste.